In today's activity, we will explore employment and education options. You will identify an area of interest for post-secondary employment, and then you will research the educational requirements, the work duties, knowledge, and skills required for each of the careers of interest. Today, I will show you a website that will help us, a worksheet that we will complete, and an example of a completed worksheet. So first, let's look at the website. The website is My Next Move. So you can choose for this activity how you want to start. If you already have a career in mind that you're interested in doing, you would use the green section on the left. So if you are interested in becoming an ultrasound technician, you would type that in and search to learn about that career. If you are not sure and you would like to take a moment to browse careers in different industries, you could choose one of the drop downs here and select and then browse that way. Or if you're not really sure, you can complete a few questions and then they will suggest careers that match those interests, and you can start that by clicking here. So once you begin, you'll choose one of these three to find a career. So for me, to show you, I will type in teacher and I will search. And this will lead me to all of the different results for teachers. So let's say I want to do elementary school teacher, I would click on that. That brings me to this homepage of sorts that highlights what teachers do, what on the job would look like, the knowledge, skills, and abilities, personality traits, technology, education required, what does the job outlook look like, and then an opportunity to link to different resources to explore even more about this field. Okay, so this is the page that's really important that we will get our information for. From there, you will access the Career Exploration Worksheet. So that is here. This is available digitally, so you can type right onto this one, or you can print it and complete it with pen and paper as well. So what you will do is once you've narrowed down which career you would like to explore, you will begin completing this worksheet. So starting with the career title, an explanation of the career, the work activities, so list the two that are most important to you, the education required, the job outlook, the wage and employment trends, and then anything else that you would like to add about this occupation. So you will be flipping back and forth between the My Next Move website, because all of the answers to the worksheet are right here. So this, and then filling it in to the worksheet. And to help you understand what a completed worksheet would look like, there is an example. And this is the sample that's been already completed for a computer user support specialist. So see, they filled in the career title, the website where the information is at. They provided a bullet point explanation of the career, the work activities, the two that were most important, education required, the job outlook, wages, and some of the other skills and other information that they wanted to add about that career. So that is what yours should look like when it's filled out. Remember, you can choose to complete it right on this worksheet and type it out and print it once it's filled out, or you could print it when it's blank and then fill it in, or adapt it in a different way that works for you. So speak with your transition teacher or transition assistant for ideas on how to do that if you'd like. Thank you.